Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and this is the special edition of the OnePlus 6T. This is the McLaren edition that has been launched today only, and it has been priced at 51,000 rupees or 50,999, going on sale very soon in India, and I'll leave Best Buy links in the description section. I'm gonna quickly unbox this phone and show you what all you get in this package. This is the speed orange color. It comes with 10 GB of RAM. That is the special thing about this phone, and it comes with 256 GB of ROM, and there are some special design elements as well. So without further ado, without wasting any more time, let's just quickly open it. It says salute to speed. McLaren and OnePlus has come together to make this special edition, and the box itself comes with this carbon fiber finish. There is McLaren branding and OnePlus branding on the box. Very premium, ultra premium in fact. Salute to speed branding here as well, and this is how the box opens. It says fast and smooth. Very premium packaging. There is a booklet which is called Salute to Speed. It has some information about the phone and some information about the McLaren, dedicated to those in constant pursuit of speed. It has some history of McLaren and how it got into racing. If you want to read any of these, just pause the video and check out these pages. This is some of the awards etc. mentioned, and we quickly get to the phone. There is a mention of phone specifications on one of these pages. This is McLaren MCL33, their Formula 1 car, and this is OnePlus 6T, and it says salute to speed. And once you turn this page, and then you get to the phone. So this is a very nice way to present the phone. They have actually packed it inside a book, and it's hidden in the last few pages, and this is how the McLaren edition looks like. It has this silver accent, this orange accent rather. This is called papaya orange. It's a very different orange, and it's used on McLaren racing cars. There is a in-display fingerprint scanner here. The back has carbon fiber finish, if you can see from this angle. It has this carbon fiber texture, something that we saw in the Avengers edition as well, but this is more subtle, and the texture looks quite premium. Let me try to focus here. Yes, as you can see, and this orange accent on the side looks pretty good. It comes with 10 GB of RAM, and there are a few other special things in the box. One is this carbon fiber back case that you get with the phone. So to make it look even better, you have a proper carbon fiber case. This is another small box. This has been used just to space this memorabilia. This is a special memorabilia that has been included. This is a part of carbon fiber material, handcrafted in England. This is a part of the MCL33 edition race car. So this carbon fiber piece that you see inside this plaque is actually a part of a racing car. So you get this. This is a special edition token, a special edition gift that you get from McLaren with this phone. Plus there is a special braided USB Type-C cable, and this is for fast charging, and this comes with really superior quality, and it comes with what is called warp charging, WARP. As you can see, warp charge branding here, and you also get a McLaren branded warp charger. Let me take this out of the box, and this is a 30-watt charger, 3030. Yes, you heard it right. This is one of the fastest fast charging that you can get. It can go up to 5 volt, 6 ampere. The dash chargers that we saw earlier in the OnePlus 6T boxes were 4 ampere. This goes to 6 ampere, which means that it will charge much faster. And there's also a dongle, which is again same color theme, black and papaya orange. And that's about it. That's it in the box. The boot animation of the phone has also been modified to make it gel with the new special edition. So let me quickly show you that animation as well. There is McLaren logo and this special animation, as you can see. So the boot animation is also different. So this phone packs in a few more additions. So you first of all you get 10 GB of RAM, which is probably the highest that you can get in India. You get this special memorabilia, which is something that you can't get easily, can't get hold of a piece of a Formula racing car. And you also get a 30-watt fast charger and some special McLaren touches onto this phone to celebrate speed and 5th global anniversary of OnePlus. So that's all we have on a quick unboxing. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching and have a good day.